This video is an introduction on how to add or edit a brain function or brain pathology. If you wish to know more about, for example, spatial memory, you simply click on that function. This will cause all human brain regions involved in that function to be highlighted in one single color. All mouse brain regions that are linked to the selected human regions will also be highlighted. You will still be able to scroll between brain sections as usual. Located above the brains, you will see the same gray box as you did for the brain regions. It's the box that gives you information about the area's function, as well as provides articles and reviews. If you are currently looking at a human brain and want to instead see the regions involved in the same function in the mouse brain, click Mouse in the top right corner of the gray box. This will highlight all regions so far known to be involved in mouse spatial memory, as well as the human regions that correlate to them. If you want to look at a pathology instead of function, let's take Alzheimer's as an example. You'll see a similar display except for one detail. The regions will be highlighted in 6 different colors that will follow a specific sequence of progression of the disease. The various colors can be translated by referring to the color bar located below the brains. The colors show how the selected disease is believed to progress throughout the brain. Red means that it begins there, then progresses to the area marked in orange, and so on. To add a function, log into the back end of the site using your user information or by creating a new user. Click on the green box named Functions and choose Add Function or Edit a pre-existing function. Fill in the fields according to the headlines. To find out more about adding information texts, articles, or reviews, please see the previous videos. Choosing the default slice will determine which slice will first be shown when someone selects your function. It should be a slice that shows the highest number of relevant brain regions at once. Choose which brain regions pertain to your function by entering them at the bottom. Human brain regions are those that are known to be involved in the function in the human brain, and mouse brain regions include those that are known to be involved in the function in the mouse brain. You can always add additional brain regions by pressing plus, and you don't have to manually select the corresponding regions. They will connect automatically. Adding a pathology instead of a function follows almost this exact same logic, except for one thing. You must also add the order in which the disease progresses throughout the brain. Label number 1 for parts involved in the beginning of the disease, and select higher numbers for subsequent brain regions that are involved as the disease progresses. As of right now, We have 6 possible stages that you can differentiate between when adding brain regions to a pathology. After saving an edit, someone from our team will review the addition before making it public. So don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately after pressing save. And don't forget to add references to your additions. Instructions are described right below the Info tab and in one of the following videos.